we started our journey in the morning, and it took us around 1.5 hours to reach Sarojini Nagar. You can go by your own car or any vehicle that you have if you are living in Delhi, or you can take DTC bus or an auto to reach Sarojini Nagar. Also, get ready to roam around and have a lot of fun along your way.
हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज हम एक न्यू वीडियो बना रहे हैं साथ में। वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर सरोजनी नगर मार्केट टुडे। और अभी सारी बंद पड़ी है सरोजनी नगर मार्केट। वी केम हेयर सो अर्ली, बट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर शॉपिंग सून एंड वी विल शो यू विच शॉप you can buy which kind of stuff. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end and chawayala.
The market opens around 11 a.m. and it completely opens by 11:30 or 12 p.m. So I would suggest you to go after that only, because you won't find most of the shops open if you go early. Like we didn't. We actually roamed for 1 hour here and there, but then we had some time to shoot and make some videos and click some pictures of ours. Now let's start with the market. The market is open now. You can see that there are not many people, as the conditions are still not favorable to go, but you can go there and take some precautions. Be safe. Explore the market. First, I would suggest you to at least take a round and see what kind of stuff you are looking for and where you can find that stuff at cheaper prices. So make sure that you explore the market well and see what do you actually want, because there are lots of clothes and lots of jewelry and bags and everything, and for men as well. There are so many products, and you will find branded products at very cheaper prices. So explore. We were also exploring the market right now, and then we came across this beautiful store. They have a lot of jewelry, and I bought these earrings. These are very nice earrings that I bought. You can find earrings starting at 30 rupees, which all are trendy and good looking and durable. So make sure that you buy jewelry a lot. Now let's come to the clothing part. Clothing is the main part which you can get here. The sale starts from 50 rupees, 200 rupees, and it can go to till 500 rupees, but most of the products you will find in range between 100 to 200 rupees. These are the tops that we explored at 200 rupees, and the stuff was very good. You can definitely buy the products, t-shirt, tops from these stalls. However, make sure that the cloth is fine and there should not be any defect in it. You can also explore the main shops. However, they will be a little costlier than the ones on the road. So you can shop according to your budget. There is a temple in the market, and you will find so many shops around it which are selling the products at 200 rupees. Most of their products at 200 rupees. So you can go into the shops and buy anything for 200 rupees each. I bought so many dresses from there, and the dresses were so good, summer dresses. This is one of the shops, and they actually restricted me from making a full video, but I however did a small one. You can see that there are so many pretty dresses here. Now let's come to the outer part, and you can find mobile cases at very cheaper prices starting from 100 rupees, jeans starting from 100 rupees, and shorts and skirts at 50 rupees, 100 rupees. So you can take the advantage and buy as much products as you want. These are the dresses at rupees 250, and my sister bought a top from here. The top was very cute. We really like the color. However, there was some stain on this top, so we took another color rather than this one. Then we took a small break and eat our parathas that we bought from our home. Then we were back to shopping, and we had done a lot of shopping till now. We have purchased a lot of stuff, spending a lot of money here, but it was all worth it because the clothes were very trendy and very reasonable at very reasonable prices. You can also find great lingerie at affordable prices here, so make sure that you buy that one as well. However, if you are planning to go to Sarojini Nagar right now, I think it is a little expensive because not all the shops are opening. There are some shops opening at one day and the other ones open at the other day, so the prices are little higher. Also, if you go early in the morning, you will find the prices the clothes at higher prices, so make sure that you go in the afternoon or in the evening. Here you can find the ladies bag which were at sale for 500 rupees. However, the bags quality were good, and the stock was very nice, and we bought two bags from here. Then we explored the market, took a small break, and sat down to take a breath because it was too hot to roam around. Then we ate at a cafe, the Chai Story, the pizza. We ate a Veg Delight pizza and it was amazing. You can have it to relish yourself. Then we headed our home back and we done a lot of shopping. Hope you have understood that how you have to buy and how you have to explore the market. Make sure that you bargain a lot in the market and do not go on Monday because Mondays are off. You won't find many shops open on Mondays, and also try to buy only the clothes that are good in quality and not go for the ones that are only cheaper at price but not good in quality. So best of luck. Also, I will be making a haul video to show you what kind of clothes I bought from the market, so make sure that you stay tuned and ring the bell icon button so that you don't miss out any updates from my side. Keep supporting you lovely people. Bye bye and subscribe.